Hello guys, welcome back for another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to make your AI agent inside GitHub Copilot, being able to draw any kind of mermaid diagram. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to add to this website, mermaid.ai, go to docs, and we are going to go to guide and click on AI to be able to see the interface for the documentation on the MCP server. Okay, and there's two main advantage of using the MCP server. The first one is basically giving any kind of agent the tool and the context for drawing any kind of mermaid diagram. And the second benefit is that since it is an official MCP server, there is no risk of security and no risk for prompt injection or data leakage. Okay. The thing that we need to configure the MCP are those two things. So this URL and the type, which is HTTP, and that's basically it. Those are the available tools inside the MCP. So for the free version, no authentication required. Those are the tools, but if you want, if you have a Mermaid account and you want to use your Mermaid account, you just need to add the token because there is this authentication step, but you have more available tools. Okay. So now let's head to VS Code and let me show you how to set up and how to use it. Okay. So now we are in VS Code, and inside VS Code, what we want to do is actually quite simple. We want to create a folder called vscode. VSCode, and inside it's important to have the dot. It's basically like a configuration folder for the session that we are currently running, and inside this folder we want to create a new file called mcp.json. Okay, and inside this file what we're going to do is we're going to just copy and paste a simple configuration. And this is the actual way to initiate an MCP server inside VS Code. Okay, just write server, then inside curly bracket you add all your server separated by a comma. Okay, in our case will be mermaid, and we need to type the actual type. So in our case it's HTTP, and we also need to type the URL. And the URL is where we found it just now. So so now we can just copy this. Let's copy this. Perfect. And now let's go back to VS Code. So now that copied this, we can just paste it. Okay, perfect. And our MCP server is basically ready, just need to start it. So now, as you can see, it's currently running. And now what we can do is with any kind of agent here, so you need to be in agent mode inside your session. Let's talk to, and there's something that it's important to mention is the better your agent is with base LLM, the better your mermaid diagram will be. So let's, for example, ask create full pipeline that describe the use of LLM and their types, plus the important parameters of each of LLM. Yeah, for example, like this, use the MCP Mermaid MCP server. Let's see what we get. So now what basically is since our server is running, since we ask in our request to use the MCP server, it will basically check if there is available tools. Then you will list the tools, and then basically we'll plan and then execute those tools according to the plan. Okay, reasoning, since we like added like this Claude 4.6 with like high reasoning, this will take like a couple of time, like typically maybe 1 to 2 minutes, but the final result will be very, very, very elegant and have like a lot of details. If you want like something with less details, I suggest like to maybe switch to another model, and also making sure that you go for example, like low or medium reasoning. Okay, so now let's see what we get. I'm quite curious about like the level of details that the figure will have. So now it's currently checking the available tools, currently building diagram. Okay, let's see the plan. So now it's validating. Basically, it will call the validate and render function, I think. Make sure that the diagram is actually great. Okay, the syntax is valid, and now we would just like render it. Okay, cool. And now it's running validate and render Mermaid diagram. Okay, cool, finished. Okay, nice one. Let's see. So since it is an image, it's not like the best, but as I mentioned earlier, we will be able to have access to the upline with a link also that we'll be able to click and edit ourselves. Okay, if we just go here, go to the mode, yeah, you can go in here and look at the diagram. But let me just like show you that we can have this working perfectly fine if we delete this. Now it should be okay. And yes, problem here was that the fact that it was saved as Markdown and not Mermaid. Now that we have this, what we can do is we can go basically here on the preview. Let me check. So let's go for one preview like this. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see, this is the diagram. Okay, perfect. And there's like quite a number of details, architecture, the different closed source family, the open source. Let's go with the, and yeah, there's like the different key inference parameters that are like all mentioned. The inference, common output application, which is actually quite nice, as you can see. And as I mentioned, now we can basically edit this inside, or like code. We can download this, can export it to PNG or SVG. And to visualize this inside vscode, what you need is an extension that is called Mermaid. Just go here and just like download those two extensions. Okay, that's it. You just need to type Mermaid and you'll be able to use those. Okay. And the last thing is, of course, you can also use the online editor with the link that's where I created. Okay, so if we open it and now we go to the window, we'll be able to see the full. Yeah, so that's the full diagram. As you can see, we can basically like see basically everything here, and in the online editor, we can basically change anything like the color, the shape. There is like much more control over like the diagram. Okay, So if you are interested in like knowing more about those things, draw like figures with your agent, I made another video on the same thing but with draw.io. The video should appear on your screen now, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye guys.